Dr. Paul, I'm referring Mr. George to your neurology clinic for further evaluation. He's been experiencing persistent headaches and cognitive decline.
Thank you for the referral, Dr. Mihira. I'll schedule an appointment for Mr. George. Could you provide me with more details about his symptoms?
He's been complaining of headaches that are often accompanied by nausea and vomiting. He's also having difficulty concentrating and remembering things.
Has he experienced any changes in his vision or speech?
No, his vision and speech seem to be unaffected. However, he's been feeling more fatigued and irritable than usual.
We'll need to conduct a thorough neurological examination, including cognitive tests and imaging studies. Dr. Mihira, we may also need to rule out any underlying medical conditions that could be contributing to his symptoms.
Thank you. I appreciate your prompt attention to this matter. Please let me know if you need any further information.
Mihira, it is completely natural to feel a bit nervous about cataract surgery, but I want to reassure you that it is a very gentle, routine procedure designed to bring clarity back to your world. When you arrive, the medical team will make you comfortable and use a local anesthetic to completely numb your eye, ensuring you will not feel any pain. The entire process is incredibly quick, usually taking just 30 to 60 minutes. Through a tiny, precise incision, the surgeon will carefully remove the cloudy lens that has been blurring your vision. In its place, they will insert a brand new, crystal clear acrylic lens that becomes a permanent, seamless part of your eye. The benefits of this brief procedure truly change how you experience day-to-day life. Mihira, once your eye heals, you will notice a wonderful return to clear focus. Colors that might look faded or yellowish right now will suddenly appear vibrant, rich, and beautifully distinct again. You will also experience a major reduction in that frustrating glare from bright lights and oncoming traffic, making evening walks and night driving much easier and safer.